Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a home office on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by drawing my office in the 2D mode. I'm then going to add my windows whilst in 2D mode, and then swap to 3D mode to amend them. I'm going to resize the windows and then flip them so they both open out away from each other, creating a beautiful airy workspace. Next, I'm going to change my floor to a lighter wood and then change the pattern size so that there is a large repeat across the room. I'm then going to upload my own paint colour to apply to the walls. I'm keeping it neutral and natural for this office. Next, I'm going to add a large storage unit. I'm going to use this for office storage as well as decorative items. I'm using the rotate and movement tool to position it in place. I'm then changing the colour of the shelves to a soft green. I'm now adding various items to my shelves. I'm using the free movement tool to move them up and down the various shelves, and the rotate tool to ensure they fit correctly. Next, I'm creating a desk space in my window corner. I'm adding a light wood desk as well as a wooden and cream chair. I'm then adding a large plant to bring in some biophilic design elements into the room. I'm changing the pot colour to make it more in keeping with my colour scheme. I'm now adding a storage and seating unit from the catalogue. I'm resizing a little to fit my space. I'm then adding a pegboard. Next, I'm adding a ceiling pendant. I'm adding it in 3D mode, then swapping to the 2D ceiling plan mode to align it correctly in the middle of the room. I can then swap back to 3D mode to change the drop height. I'm also adding a lamp to my storage unit. I'm now going to use the new product tool to draw a rectangle. I'm using the push and pull tool to add a little depth. I'm then going to apply a cork texture to create a custom corkboard for my office space. Next, I'm using a texture I've uploaded to change the picture on the frame of my wall. I'm also going to change the colour of my desk. This time I'm using a preloaded texture from the catalogue, as well as the copy texture function in the top left corner. I'm also adding a filing cabinet under my desk for additional secure storage. Finally, I'm going to add a false ceiling with hidden lights to my design. I'm adding it in 3D mode and then swapping to the 2D ceiling plan option to resize to my ceiling size. I'm then changing the depth and the colour of the ceiling when back in 3D mode. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render in the top right corner. I can change the lighting, environment and sun at this point. You can preview your render and the preview will appear in the bottom right. If you're happy, click the Take Render button. Choose the 4K option for the best quality. Here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.